Hello everyone, welcome to our second video of the Skyfighter game. This was more advanced than our last one. We have added much more details. Now, shall we show them?
Yeah, we have added a bit more things like enemy plane, more enemy planes, and then as you can see,
we also changed the background.
But
now let's start and watch out for changes. Now I suppose you can already spot one. Right now,
You got hit. You got hit. You got hit.
Yeah, you can say you got hit, and then we get the big plane coming, and
you got hit. You got hit.
one, right? Okay, the big plane came out, and the bullets coming out from the big plane. That's the main change that we made.
Yeah. Some of them got on, right? I hope I won't because
Now you have up your life.
You got hit.
Let's get through this. Push the bullet.
3, 2, 1. You win.
Alright. Well
we won.
done. So what by now you probably know what are some of the changes that we have made. Let's go in and take a look. Where shall we start?
Okay, so just in case you didn't know how we got this block, it's from text to speech. But we got it from here, text to speech.
Okay, what does it do? You're gonna tell everyone?
See, so
This is the boy's most excited part of the
Hello.
new version.
And you can also change the voice.
Hello.
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 The most funny part is this one, a kitten. Look at
Meow.
Yeah, for cat lovers, you understand the language, right? Okay, but so with this, there's a lot of possibilities,
Yes.
right?
So you can make it like say anything.
Yeah, and what have we included in this game? We count down 3, 2, 1.
And we also got rid of the speech bubbles because it's taking up too much time.
And then every time we got hit, it says you got hit. Okay.
See, and if you die, like life equals 0, then you die, and then like you got hit, you got hit, you got hit, you got hit, and at the front, you need to put this here.
Yeah.
And you put this on.
Okay, I think we won't go through the detail. We'll just go through what was changed from the last tutorial, right?
Wait.
One of the things we did was to add in the music. Now, all this music and sound effects makes it quite interesting.
And we also added if we get hit by the boss's bullet, you lose a life.
Okay.
And
then
let's go
to
into the big play, which is the boss.
Good.
And this is set boss's life. That means you need to hit it 20 times. You need the bullet for it to disappear. And then you do this. If boss life equals 0.
Why don't you explain the forever loop and then gliding it to a random position?
Glide 2 sets to random minus 120 to 120. Pick random 1 to. Okay, but why didn't you do if boss life equals 0 then high?
Yeah, because boss life, when you hit it, it just goes from 0 to, it can be minus, right? We want to hide it immediately, okay? Because I realized that if I put it to 0, only if it becomes 0 then you hide. But if it becomes minus 1, it shows again. So that's why I put it to boss life minus 0. And maybe one thing to highlight here is that we make this plane, we made a sprite for the big plane, and we allow it to glide randomly from between 120 to minus 120 to 120. But we also coded it such that it doesn't go down too much. Remember, we had a problem if you pick a random for Y, the plane may come down here, right? And it's not shooting at anything. So we just made it to 120, which is here, and until 1, so that it will just operate within this space. Okay.
And we also change Sky Fighter to brightness effect. See, brightness effect, brightness. Geographic effects.
Can you click on the big plane? Can you explain a little bit about what happens when it is hit by our bullet?
If touching our bullet, then change brightness effect by 80. Shutdown teleport 2, change boss life by -1. And all this code should be possibly easy to.
Yeah. So.
And if boss life equals 0, then start sound win.
All this means.
And this is, start sound movie. Timer equals 40, then show broadcast big plane appears. Start sound movie 2.
Yeah. So this is how we ask the plane to come out, right? So plane will come out and timer equals to 40.
I think I rather like the sound.
For whatever reason, I think the sound doesn't really come out. We can play again and see how. Right? So by changing the timer equals to 40 here.
I think I know. I think you should put play some movie 2 until done. Because then you only start for 1 second.
I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe it works. But then let's go on to explain the rest.
We already explained this part.
Okay.
And then we have covered it. So let's go to the 2 medium planes.
Yeah, the 2 medium planes.
I only made the first medium plane. I don't know how he made the second one.
I think I explained the first medium plane. It's basically the same, right?
Yeah.
The medium plane is the same idea as the
broadcast medium plane appears.
Yeah, correct. There's a reason for this. We can explain this later.
And change medium lives by -1.
So that when you hit it, the medium lives is gone, right?
Should we also play some movie 2 until done? But how do you get the sound 2?
Okay.
Sound.
Okay, you also want to play the sound when it comes out, right?
Movie 2.
So go to sounds. Now we show you how we can add effects. Movie. Let's listen. Whoa, so scary.
Too loud.
Too loud. Let's hope this works though.
Yeah, let's hope this works.
Okay, now one very interesting thing that we added was the bullet coming from the plane. This is not very easy, so maybe you want to go through this. Okay, so number 2, why don't you click on bullet 2?
Okay, but we only have to go to one bullet though, because everything is the same.
Have we talked about this before? I think we talked about this before.
Yes.
Okay, so let's
when I receive big plane appears, repeat until boss lives is more than 1. Wait, less than 1, right?
Yeah.
Create clone of myself, wait 0.5 seconds, hide. When I start as a clone, go to big plane enemy, repeat 15, change Y by minus, then delete this clone. Okay, obvious. When I receive big plane dies, hide. Just because when it dies, you don't need to keep shooting. Otherwise, it's like...
Good point. We had a problem because we forgot to add this last code here, right? And then even though we hit the plane disappears, but the bullet keeps shooting.
Yeah. That was a disaster.
Yeah, exactly. Which is why in the earlier code you saw that there was a function where they say you need to broadcast the big plane has died. Okay, so when you broadcast it over there, this part receives the big plane dies and then is able to hide and stop shooting. Now, this is a very important concept for this particular bullet, and we have duplicated all these concepts into bullet 3.
The concept is the same, except that it is medium plane dies,
As
medium plane enemy, medium
plane
plane appears,
exactly.
medium lies.
Exactly. Now, this is the first medium plane, and then bullet 4 is for the second medium plane, which is why the medium plane 2 appears.
Medium lies, but well, he somehow managed to make it the same.
Yeah,
And the
it's-
variables are there are boss lies, face left, wing right, hit lies, medium lies, and timer. The ones that we need are timer, medium lives, boss lives.
I don't know why face left and right is there. I think
And
it's
this is-
different.
Yeah.
I think it's something else. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so these are the only variables that you need. The rest you don't need that much. And the hits, I think I made a mistake of creating that.
Yeah. Never mind. The last part is the scrolling background. Shall we explain a little bit? We're quite excited. It was our latest addition.
We just changed it today.
Yeah, we just added it today, and the whole idea was to make sure that
it make it go down.
Well, in fact, it makes it seem as if the plane is going up, right? And it's quite fast.
But
Explain
well,
more about this.
as you realized already, we changed the backdrop, which is because the stars, when it goes down, there was a line.
Yeah, you can also see the line, but we've hidden it well. Can you explain a little bit about this code?
This code is, well, it starts from the middle, and then it keeps going down to make it as if it's going down, up. And then this is starts from the bottom. Wait, is it the bottom or the top?
Okay, so I think the first one here, maybe you need to go through the in detail, it starts from the top and then it scrolls
No,
down.
it starts from the middle.
Starts from the middle
and then it scrolls down.
Can you explain that if y is equals to goes down to
change y to -5, so and then it goes down.
Yeah.
And the only difference between this and this code is that this is go to x0, y0, and this one is go to x0, y340.
Yeah.
So for the last time, should we?
Hold on. I think we need to explain properly that what this means is that we are moving the background down. Right, moving the whole background down so that you can see some.
And you also have to match it.
Yeah, correct. So change y by -5 means it goes down. But if it goes down to until a particular position, then it will have to go back up again. Y45. Then, however, if it goes back up again, there will be a blank in between, which is why there's a second need. There's a need for background 2 to fill in the gap. I think we learned quite a bit from other tutorials that help us come up with this code. But you can feel free to use this, right? So what do you want to do now, Ray?
Let's play it for the last time.
Yeah.
Let's start. So the scrolling effect is
You got hit.
Oh, down.
You got hit.
Great job. I was wondering how come the sound didn't come on.
You got hit.
Too easy, isn't it?
You got hit.
Alright.
You got hit.
7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. You win.
Yay. I don't know why the you win doesn't come out. Oh, because it's hidden behind this backdrop. Okay, we can resolve that in our next tutorial, I hope.
Wait, is there gonna be a...
Perhaps no more. Maybe that's the end. But
well, actually, We're not sure, so don't get your hopes up.
Okay, maybe we'll fix the bug ourselves and then we'll share the link below.
And don't wait, okay? So if there happens to be another video, then we'll inform you.
Yep, for this fighter plane.
Though this could be the
game.
last one. So see ya next
Bye.
time.
See you next time.